Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we have a fascinating topic for you: how artificial intelligence can help you make money. Get ready to discover the incredible ways in which AI is revolutionizing the business landscape. This is 10 ways artificial intelligence can make you money. First up, we have AI-powered customer insights. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can uncover patterns, trends, and preferences among your customers. This valuable information enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, target specific customer segments, and personalize their offerings. Harnessing AI's ability to understand customer behavior can lead to increased sales and improved profitability. Next, we have automated customer support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries, providing quick and accurate responses 24/7. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs by reducing the need for a large customer support team. By leveraging AI, businesses can streamline their customer service and focus on other revenue-generating activities. Now, let's talk about smart advertising. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of user data and behavior to deliver highly targeted advertisements. By understanding individual preferences and interests, AI can ensure that ads are shown to the right audience, increasing the chances of conversions and maximizing return on ad spend. With AI, businesses can optimize their advertising strategies and reach their ideal customers effectively. Moving on, we have automated financial trading. AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze market trends, news, and historical data at a speed and accuracy impossible for humans. These algorithms can execute trades automatically, leveraging AI's ability to identify profitable opportunities and minimize risks. AI-based trading systems have the potential to generate significant profits for investors in the financial markets. Now, let's explore predictive analytics. By utilizing AI algorithms, businesses can analyze historical data and make accurate predictions about future outcomes. This enables them to anticipate market trends, customer demands, and even optimize their supply chain. With predictive analytics, businesses can make informed decisions that lead to increased profitability and a competitive edge in the market. Next, we have AI-driven product recommendations. You've probably seen this in action on e-commerce platforms. AI algorithms analyze your browsing and purchase history to suggest products that align with your interests. By personalizing recommendations, businesses can increase customer engagement, drive sales, and encourage repeat purchases. AI is transforming the way we discover and purchase products. Now, let's talk about fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of transactional data to identify patterns and anomalies associated with fraudulent activities. By leveraging AI's ability to detect and flag suspicious behavior in real time, businesses can minimize financial losses and protect their assets. AI-powered fraud detection systems are becoming indispensable in the fight against fraud. Continuing our exploration of how artificial intelligence can make you money, let's move on to the next exciting application. Price optimization is another area where AI shines. By analyzing market trends, competitor pricing, and customer behavior, AI algorithms can determine the optimal pricing strategy for products and services. This allows businesses to maximize revenue, increase profit margins, and stay competitive in dynamic market conditions. With AI-powered price optimization, businesses can find the sweet spot that attracts customers while maximizing profitability. Next up, we have automated data entry and analysis. AI-powered tools can process and analyze vast amounts of data, eliminating the need for manual data entry and tedious data analysis tasks. This saves businesses valuable time and resources, allowing them to focus on core activities that drive revenue. AI streamlines data management and empowers businesses to make informed decisions based on accurate and timely information. Last but certainly not least, we have AI-driven business strategy. By leveraging AI's advanced analytical capabilities, businesses can gain valuable insights into market dynamics, consumer behavior, and emerging trends. AI-powered tools can simulate different business scenarios, helping companies make strategic decisions that optimize growth and profitability. With AI as a strategic partner, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and make informed choices that drive financial success. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways artificial intelligence can make you money. From customer insights and automated customer support to smart advertising, financial trading, and predictive analytics, AI is transforming the way businesses operate and generate revenue. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock new opportunities, enhance efficiency, and drive financial success. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Let us know in the comments which AI application fascinated you the most. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable ways AI can help you make money. We'll see you in our next video where we continue to explore the fascinating world of technology. Stay tuned and keep exploring. To help us continue making these and even better videos, be sure to give us a like, subscribe and share. Thank you.